wanna know how to use auto battle mode in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. But first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends application. So make sure you are under a game. So I'm just going to hit towards campaign right here and then start a battle. So you can just simply select any difficulty, select your level, and then just simply start a battle right here. So once you're inside the game, now once the game loads, as you can see right here, you should be under the battlefield. And now once you're under the battlefield, the enemy is popping up. And now in order to add auto or auto battle, just simply see this auto on the left side right here. So you can just simply click that. So once I selected that, as you can see right here, the battle should be started automatically, and your heroes should automatically kill and then start fighting. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.